scare your siblings. A lot of little kids are afraid of clowns. Killer clowns, not the ones from fairs, festivals, or carnivals. So that means this will probably scare them. As you can see, it has the word killer at the bottom and a clown face at the top. I just color in the red eyes, the red blood, and the yellow teeth. I don't know why, but I imagine they would have yellow teeth. What you do is you search up Call from a Killer Clown. You choose the picture you want and print it. If you don't know how to print, check out my next video. Anyway, the one I chose had this face on one side and the words Call from a Killer Clown on the other. It was easy to make because all you have to do is print that, cut out the hem. I cut out the word killer. I tape them together. Really easy. Anyway, don't go too overboard, but then they'll get suspicious. Lucy out.